What is Uniswap? A short guide to the token swap exchange. Uniswap is a protocol built on Ethereum that enables the exchange of ERC20 tokens without requiring purchasers and sellers to generate demand for the tokens. It accomplishes this by using an equation that automatically establishes the value and maintains its equilibrium based on the amount of demand there. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange, DEX, that operates on the Ethereum blockchain and makes it possible for traders to trade ERC20 tokens with one another. The growth of the decentralized finance (DeFi) industry has led to an increase in excitement around Uniswap's protocol, and this excitement is not without foundation. Compared to other DEXs, Uniswap's user interface makes it significantly simpler than ever before for anyone to add or list tokens to accrue incentives. In addition, because peer-to-peer (P2P) transactions are so convenient, it is possible to conduct any trade without intermediaries. Uniswap, which was the first company to implement DeFi, is working to transform the conventional DEX by implementing an automated liquidity protocol. This means that Uniswap can support the exchange of tokens without relying on the usual architecture of a mechanism known as an order book. This allows Uniswap to curb liquidity difficulties while facilitating the exchange of tokens. Reading this tutorial, you will understand what Uniswap is, how it operates, and the benefits and drawbacks associated with using it. What exactly is a Uniswap? A decentralized open-source system developed on top of the Ethereum blockchain is referred to as Uniswap. It is an excellent solution to the problem of how to streamline the process of exchanging ERC20 tokens without relying on any centralized third parties. This ensures that users have complete control over their cash management, as they are not reliant on any centralized resources. However, these decentralized exchanges could not gain popularity among liquidity providers since there needed to be more liquidity, which manifested as insufficient cash traveling through the platforms. Having said that, the fact that Uniswap does not base its pricing on an order book differentiates it from the competition. Instead, the protocol operates according to an equation, ensuring that the pool's overall liquidity is always held constant. In addition, for the concept to be successful, it requires the participation of liquidity providers in creating a liquidity pool. This pool is what enables decentralized trading and lending. This includes trading ERC20 tokens without the need for an order book as well as listing them. Once you decide to list your token on Uniswap, it will automatically be taken out of the function and placed in a list. You will then have to wait for the liquidity provider of that particular token to determine how much they're willing to pay for it. When they decide to start the trading process, they will send out an offer that the buyer and seller accept. You do not have to worry about anything, as all transactions are immutably recorded on the blockchain. How Uniswap works? The platform is based on a single algorithm that enables liquidity coordination to provide an equitable exchange. It uses smart contracts, ensuring that all transactions are recorded on the blockchain for transparency. The only way for Uniswap to achieve its objective is through the cooperation of participants, who will be rewarded for their work. How does the Uniswap system work? One of the most important things looming over the functionality of transactional systems is liquidity. This is because everyone involved in the process hopes to make a profit, which means there must be sufficient liquidity for this to be feasible. However, the problem is that most current liquidity providers are hesitant to come onto the platform since there needs to be more incentive. While some may still be hesitant, Uniswap has a solution that significantly reduces the skepticism and makes it possible for liquidity providers to have a profit motive. The idea of the on-chain automated market maker, AMM, proposed by Vitalik Buterin served as the impetus for developing the Uniswap protocol. The primary pricing method that Uniswap employs is known as the constant product market maker model. This model is a subtype of the automated market making (AMM) system, a trading platform that maintains liquidity pools for users to trade against. After that, in May 2020, Uniswap presented the improved version known as Uniswap v2, along with liquidity pools. V2 leverages wrapped Ether (WETH) in core contracts, which allows users to pool ERC20 tokens directly with any other ERC20 tokens. This functionality was not available in the platform's previous version, V1. Users can exchange ETH for a single ERC20 token. Additionally, prices grew more dependable, and manipulation became more difficult. This was followed by the launch of Uniswap v3 in 2021, which provided liquidity providers with access to full liquidity and numerous fee tiers, allowing them to allocate their capital more while simultaneously accumulating a greater share of the fees generated. V3 also enables a more affordable and straightforward integration of Oracle with TWAP on demand, which has the potential to be calculated for a period of up to 9 days. Because of this, individual liquidity providers were given more control, and they could receive compensation for taking on various risks. How does liquidity pool work? Uniswap uses the same model to ensure that the overall liquidity offered by the platform is constant. The system will automatically match liquidity providers with buyers and sellers. 2 liquidity pools are relevant for Uniswap. Rewards pool. This pool is built solely for users to incentivize them. The liquidators in this pool receive a portion of the swap fee related to each trade. Distribution pool. This pool is divided by the number of liquidity providers registered on the network and pays out approximately 99.9% to them. The remaining 0.1% will be rewarded to liquidity providers operating as backups. How to swap tokens with Uniswap? Through its front end, which is located at Uniswap Exchange. The Uniswap protocol is available for use. In addition, you will require an Ethereum address, which can be obtained using a wallet such as. Now that you are equipped with this knowledge, you can exchange tokens or add tokens to a Uniswap liquidity pool. All you need to do is choose the token you want to swap out of and the token you want to switch into. The next step is for you to validate the transaction by using your digital wallet and then confirm the trade, remembering to bear in mind any additional Ethereum fees for swapping. Since Uniswap is an open protocol for smart contracts, numerous user interfaces for front-end applications have already been developed. For instance, this feature lets you deposit monies into Uniswap pools without using the official Uniswap user interface. Users can now contribute funds to Uniswap pools using just ETH instead of ETH in conjunction with other tokens, thanks to interfaces such as. The user can purchase pool tokens and BZX token strategies with as little as one click using the interface's simple one-click solutions. Because there are many official and unofficial resources available to developers for building on the protocol, we should anticipate seeing many more integrations between Uniswap's one-of-a-kind token exchanging system and new decentralized finance (DeFi) businesses in the years to come. Conclusion. Uniswap is the first decentralized exchange that enables users to swap any ERC20 token with any other ERC20 token, along with the liquidity for the exchange provided by the BZRX token. Users are allowed to swap their tokens whenever they would like. Uniswap solves the issue of liquidity and should be an excellent exchange to use, and is expected to grow.